Proper window maintenance is essential to ensure the longevity, energy efficiency, and aesthetic appeal of your home. After installing new windows in Washington, D.C., taking the right steps to maintain them can prevent costly repairs and extend their lifespan. Here's a comprehensive guide to keeping your windows in top condition year-round. Regular cleaning. Keeping your windows clean enhances their appearance and ensures they function correctly. Follow these steps for effective cleaning. Use a mild glass cleaner or a mixture of vinegar and water to clean the glass. Wipe down window frames with a damp cloth and a gentle detergent to remove dust and grime. Avoid using harsh chemicals or abrasive tools that could damage the window's surface. Clean window screens with a soft brush and soapy water at least twice a year. Inspect and repair seals and weather stripping. Washington, D.C. experiences varied weather conditions, from humid summers to cold winters. Regularly check the seals and weather stripping around your windows to prevent air leaks and moisture infiltration. Look for cracked or peeling seals and replace them if necessary. Ensure weather stripping is intact and not worn out. Apply caulk to any gaps or cracks to maintain insulation and energy efficiency. Check for condensation and moisture buildup. Condensation between window panes can indicate seal failure, which reduces energy efficiency. To prevent moisture issues, open windows occasionally to improve ventilation and reduce indoor humidity levels. Use a dehumidifier in rooms with high moisture content, such as kitchens and bathrooms. If condensation appears between panes, consult a professional for potential repairs or replacements. Lubricate window tracks and hinges for smooth operation. Moving parts like window tracks, hinges, and locks need regular lubrication. Use a silicone-based lubricant to keep tracks and hinges moving freely. Remove any dirt or debris that could obstruct movement. Test windows periodically to ensure they open and close smoothly without resistance. Protect windows from extreme weather. Washington, D.C. experiences seasonal storms and high winds, which can affect your windows. Take proactive measures to protect them. Install storm shutters or use impact-resistant windows if your home is exposed to strong winds. Trim overhanging tree branches to reduce the risk of damage from falling debris. In winter, clear snow and ice buildup around windows to prevent moisture infiltration. Maintain window screens. Screens help keep insects out and allow fresh air in, but can accumulate dirt and debris over time. Remove screens and clean them with a hose or soft brush at least once a year. Inspect for holes or tears and replace damaged screens promptly. Ensure screens are properly reinstalled to prevent gaps that let in pests. Inspect for drafts and insulation issues. Drafts can reduce energy efficiency and increase heating and cooling costs. Check for gaps around the window frame where air may be leaking in or out. Damaged or missing insulation around the window edges. Professional window inspections to assess energy efficiency and potential improvements. Repaint and refinish window frames as needed to keep window frames looking fresh and protected from the elements. Sand and repaint wooden frames every few years to prevent rotting and warping. Use weather-resistant paint to protect against moisture and UV exposure. For vinyl or aluminum frames, clean regularly and check for signs of wear. Schedule professional inspections, while regular DIY maintenance is essential. Professional inspections ensure your windows remain in peak condition. Have a professional inspect your windows annually to check for structural issues. Address any concerns early to avoid costly replacements in the future. Follow manufacturer's guidelines. Each window type may have specific care requirements. Be sure to read the manufacturer's maintenance recommendations. Use approved cleaning products and maintenance techniques to avoid voiding warranties. Conclusion: maintaining your windows after installation in Washington, D.C. is essential for energy efficiency, home comfort, and durability. By following these simple maintenance steps, you can ensure that your investment lasts for years to come. Regular cleaning, inspections, and minor repairs will help you avoid costly damage and keep your home looking its best. If you notice any major issues, don't hesitate to contact a professional window service for assistance.